Hi, friends. Some gifts are just too special to buy in a store. For my Aunt Leona's 100th birthday, I wanted to give her something truly one of a kind, something that would capture her beauty, her kindness, and the incredible life she's lived. So I turned to AI for a little help. What you're about to hear is Leona's song. It's a heartfelt tribute created just for her. The lyrics were crafted with the help of ChatGPT, and the music was composed by Murica AI. Together, they helped me create a gift that brought tears to our eyes and joy to her heart. This is more than just a song. It's an example of what's possible when creativity meets technology. Here's for you, Aunt Leona.
Leona, the light that forever will shine, a heart full of grace and a beauty so fine, with hands that would comfort, with words that would heal, a life lived with love, with a touch so real. Oh, Leona, your song lingers on, a melody sweet like the break of the dawn. You've given the world your carrying charm, a beautiful soul with a beautiful heart. Through hard-working days, you stood tall and true, a trailblazing lady who always broke through. Yet gentle, so tender, so warm and so kind, a rare kind of beauty embodied mind. Oh, Leona, your song lingers on, a melody sweet like the break of the dawn. You've given the world your caring and charm, a beautiful soul with a beautiful heart. A voice like the springtime, a smile like the sun, a mother, a lover, a friend to each one. Those seasons have passed and the years have flown by. Your love is the song that still sweetens the sky. Oh, Leona, your song lingers on, a melody sweet like the break of the dawn. You've given the world your caring and charm, a beautiful soul with a beautiful heart. Yes, you are forever our star.